Hi boys and girls. Today we are going to look at lesson 9.1, playing product pileup. So when we get to this screen, we're going to click inside the lesson. The first thing we can look at is mental math and fluency in box number 1. The mental math says, try to come up with as many factor pairs as you can for the following products. We have factor and products underlined here because these are two very important words when dealing with multiplication. If we look down here, we see that the two numbers that are being multiplied, those are our factors, and it gives us a product, which is our answer when we're multiplying. So I have a list here of all these products, 9, 12, 32, 45, 70, and 80. On a separate piece of paper or in your mind, you can come up with different ways that you would multiply to get these products. So pause the video and take a minute or a few to go through the different factors that you can multiply to come up with these products. Good job. So for 9, you know any number times 1 gives you that same number. So the factor pairs for 9 would be 1 and 9. Another pair of factors would be 3 times 3, a multiplication square. For 12, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. For 32, 1 and 32, 2 and 16, 4 and 8. For number 45, 1 and 45, 3 and 15, 5 and 9. And as the numbers got larger, it was a little more difficult. So for 70, 1 and 70, 2 and 35, 5 and 14, 7 and 10. And for 80, 1 and 80, 2 and 40, 4 and 20, 5 and 16, 8 and 10. So great job on that. You can go back out and we're going to look at our math message. You can click this to listen to what the math message has to say. Let's see what it says.
Math message. Record a basic multiplication fact with a product of 63. 63 equals blank times blank. Look at the facts below. Choose the facts that have products greater than 63. 6 times 10. 7 times 10. 6 times 9. 8 times 9.
So this math message is similar to our mental math because we're looking for factor pairs that give us 63 as our product. So take a few minutes. You can pause the video now, use some of your fact strategies that you've practiced to come up with different ways that you would multiply to get the number 63. Then, a suggestion for down here, it's saying choose the facts that have products greater than 63. What I would suggest would be solve all 4 of your problems, write the product underneath, and then we can together decide which of these has a product greater than 63. So pause the video so you can solve these, and then we'll check out our answer. Great job. 6 times 10. So when you do your strategies, you would put your product of 60. For 7 times 10, you should have gotten 70. For 6 times 9, 54. And 8 times 9, 72. So when you look here, you have 60, 70, 54, and 72 as your products. The question was asking, choose the facts that have products greater than 63. 60 is less, 70 greater, so we would circle this fact. 6 times 9 is 54, that's less than 63. And then 8 times 9 is 72. 72 is greater than 63. Great job on the math message. We're going to go back to our main screen. Now, number 3 is our product pileup game. But what we can do is this game is under our online games. So what you can do is you'll go here. I'm going to scroll down to where it says Product Pile Up. I'm going to click the game. Down here it says the game description. Players take turns choosing balloons and multiplying the numbers shown on them to create products. Balloons used to create a product greater than the other player's product are removed. Players collect more balloons for making mistakes. The first player to have all of his or her balloons removed is the winner. Let's see one round. So you can pick your colors for yourself in the computer.
Are you ready to play Product Pile Up? Here we go. Click 2 balloons to select them. Enter the product of the numbers on the 2 selected balloons and click OK.
So you can pick 2 balloons to multiply. These are your 2 factors. I'm going to do 8 and 10. 8 times 10 gives me a product of 80.
Nice work! You made a new high product. Now it's the computer's turn.
And then you would continue the game by picking different factors to multiply. You type in the product, and your goal is to get rid of the balloons. So this is a fun game that'll help you really with your math facts. So now we're back at our main screen. What you can do here, that's the majority of our lesson is product pile up. But what you can continue doing is a great activity is reviewing your area and perimeter. So we have our story here that you'll be able to click this to listen to it. And down here, I wanted to point this out. Find the area. So you want to remember, again, we're tying this all in together with practicing our multiplication facts. In order to find our area, we could multiply our length times the width of our shapes, our squares. So this one is talking about having an area of 16 square centimeters. Cross out the shapes that do not have an area. So we would go to the next screen, and similar to what we did with the math message where we put all of our products down, you're going to look and you're going to multiply your side lengths to find the area. And remember from before, you want to cross out the shapes that do not have an area of 16. So that's an activity you can do. And then the 5th box here are math boxes. Again, you can press this to listen to it. You're going to solve it. And remember, you want to click this button to save your work so your teacher can make sure that they're checking your work for you. I hope you have a lot of fun playing Product Pile Up, and I want to see those math facts being done. Great job.